Netaji Subhash Chandra University of Technology, with its main campus in Dwarka, southwest Delhi, also has campuses in East and West Delhi. The Dwarka campus holds a student rating of 4 out of 5 stars on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting with placements, which has been rated 4.2 stars. According to the NIRF 2024 report, around 85% of students were placed in the 2022-23 placement drive, marking a rise of approximately 12% since 2020-2021. Top recruiters including Samsung, Droom Technology, SAP Labs, Google, Nestle India and Bharti Airtel offered roles such as software engineer, researcher, analyst and consultant. As per students' review, the highest package was around 1 crore. The median package stood at 17 lakh per annum in 2022-23, reflecting an increase of about 31% since 2020-2021. When compared to the neighbouring and similarly ranked IIIT Delhi, the latter's median package is slightly higher. Regarding internships, students report that most secured positions with top tech companies like Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix and Google. NSUT offers 10 BTech specializations including computer science and engineering, manufacturing process and automation engineering and biotechnology. NSUT Delhi admits students based on JEE main scores followed by JAC counselling. Looking at the JEE mains closing cutoffs for 2024, competition has eased in all specializations compared to 2023. The total program fees for the 4-year BTech course is around 10.5 lakhs. NSUT offers various scholarships to support its students, including the Talent Incentive Scheme for top scholars, the FWS incentive to assist economically weaker students, and reimbursement or waiver in the event of a parent's death. Let's switch gears to the 3.8 rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. Spanning 145 acres, this main campus features administrative buildings, residential blocks, academic blocks, and additional facilities. The administrative building includes the examination center, training and placement cell, auditorium, and the Center of Electronics Design and Technology. Academic blocks feature modern classrooms, laboratories, a library building, and specialized labs like the Research Lab for Energy Systems and Material Analysis and Research Laboratory. The campus includes 4 hostels for boys and 2 for girls, with priority given to students from outside Delhi. The hostels provide nutritious meals and are conveniently located near the canteens and administrative blocks. The university also prioritizes students' physical health with extensive sports facilities including tracks, courts, and grounds for various sports. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which has received a 3.7 star rating. Students appreciate the faculty's qualification and helpfulness, though teaching quality can vary. The curriculum is noted to focus more on preparing students for exams rather than industry needs. The university offers a choice-based credit system, allowing students to select their electives, core and foundation courses. Students are evaluated through continuous class assessments, a mid-semester examination and an end-semester examination. Students in the program are expected to attend every lecture, tutorial and practical class, maintaining a minimum attendance of 75%. Moving on to campus life, that has been rated 4 stars. The university boasts of a lively campus culture with active societies and clubs such as Ashwamedh, Crescendo, TEDx NSIT and NSUT Road Track Club. Events like Moksha, Innovision, and Resonance offer students a chance to engage in cultural and technical activities. Lastly, NSUT has also improved its ranking and now holds the 57th position in the NIRF 2024 engineering category, up 3 spots from last year. For more details on NSUT Delhi and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.